how popular chalkboard paint is right now?
Of course.
So we thought, why not do it on your egg? So these are hard-boiled. You know, the hard-boiled recipe's up on the website. And then you just paint all the way around the egg. And then we actually came up with a really good tip for, because you don't want to paint the sides that your fingers are holding. You just lay it down on this little board. We built it with foam and pins. It's actually good for any of these tips for drying the eggs.
Isn't that clever?
You're not making a mess on your countertop.
Isn't that clever? You're so smart.
Thank you. So you paint it all around, and then you just paint the edges.
Let it dry.
We give it 2 coats, and then we let them dry. And then you just take chalk, and we made little place cards.
It's your place cards.
For the table. And my favorite part, Sissy.
Or you can get colored chalk, and the kids can color on the chalk on the eggs.
It's decorate a million times over.
It's so cute.
It's a little chalkboard. So say you make a little design, or somebody's running late and they're not going to come. All you have to do is go like that.
You could just wipe their name off. Isn't that cool?
So I thought that was really fun for place cards.
It's
for your Easter
fantastic.
table.
And the kids can wipe the design off and draw something
else.
else.
You can use whatever chalk you've got.
Awesome.